Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. It's May. I can't believe it. It's like crazy how fast time is flying. And you know what a new month brings, a new plan and clean with me video. So we are going to be changing out the beautiful calendar I have behind me. We're going to be organizing ourselves for the month. I have some random organizing to do around the house. So I have some stuff that I need to like put away, like the kids' coats that needs to get put away. I need to organize our downstairs closet. I need to do some laundry. I need to just kind of do some random tidying up and some organizing. So we will get some good motivation and also some tips on how I plan out my month just for a smooth, we have 3 kids all going 3 different directions at all times. So if this really helps everybody knows where everyone's gonna be, everybody knows where mom and dad are gonna be and the whole thing. So, and if there's any question, it's right up there with our meal plan. So I just like to plan everything out because Layton does dance and acro and she's starting t-ball and Austin does soccer and soccer and baseball, and Brennan is starting lacrosse, so we just are gonna be like in a million different directions, but we love it. So, and the kids love all of their activities that they do, so just par for the course of being a parent. But we're going to get all of that done, but I hope you guys like these type of videos. If you do, I do one every single month. You'll find one. I think this is like 7 or 8 of these videos that I've done. So I think since I've had this calendar. So if you do, I hope you subscribe and join my little family over here on my little corner of the internet. But let's get started.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this. I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels.
Right, so our May calendar is done. I just went in and put like the kids' activities, their dance, when Austin has soccer and baseball. We don't have the t-ball schedule yet, so I don't have Layton's t-ball schedule. So once that is out, I will add in her games, but they are busy little babies this time of year. So that is all done. And what I do is I just check my phone. Whoops. So I just check my phone. We have like a family calendar and we put things in there back and forth. Just using the regular, the calendar like in, if you have an Apple phone, you can't see it, but it's just like where you put things in. So my husband and I can like invite each other to stuff and, ooh, I have the hiccups. We use that to put in things like that. So I already went through that whole calendar and all of that. And then I haven't been putting things in my monthly calendar because April was kind of quiet, but I think I'm going to do that now. I think I'm going to get out, I have the Jordan Page productivity planner and that's a day by day, but I think I'm going to go in there and just pull out the month of April because I also put all of my videos in there and schedule out my videos. I have a list of videos that I'm working on in just like in my work notebook, but I like to, once I have that like plan them all out. So I'm gonna go get that planner and I will do that now.
I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to.
Alright, so everything is planned out for the month of May. This is just a little overview of the productivity planner. I should use it more, but I don't, to be honest with you. I write a ton of stuff down in like a notebook and have like a running list, but I need to do better at planning out day by day. Again, I was really good for so long and I've just kind of gotten off track. So now that I have done this with planning out May, I should be good. But there is like a monthly tracker. You can write down like all of your goals and like check them off every day or every week, I guess. And then you can write them down here as well. And then there's just your weekly meal planner on this side. You know, I honestly, I've been using it for a while. You can see all of my stuff, but I kind of forgot that this was in here. So that is really good at the beginning of each week. So your grocery list and your meal plan are in here, and then just your weekly planning to do. There's two sides. So I do a side for like my family and my house and things like that, and then I do a side for YouTube. So I kind of use this for both of those. And then this is the daily block, so you can fill in all of your own times and what you want to call them, and then just kind of map everything out. And I like that it has like make your bed, do laundry, eat breakfast, do all of those things, because these are things that most of us do every day anyway. So it's just like first thing in the morning, you already get to check some things off your list, and the morning and the nighttime, it just things you don't have to necessarily waste your little space here writing down. So that is that, but I really like it. I bought another one too, and I want to say, I think it gets just notes on the back. I thought there was something else in the back here, but maybe that was one of the other planners that she has, because I was looking at a couple of different ones. Maybe that was, I think she's got a budget one too. So now that the planning, the planning portion is done, I am going to go downstairs and organize all of the coats, put away all of the winter coats, because there's just a ton of stuff sitting on our hook downstairs and we don't need them. So I'm gonna go through the closet as well downstairs, like our coat closet, because it's got a ton of stuff in there that I know the kids have outgrown. I've already organized it, so it's not bad organized wise, but I do need to go through it to see what they have outgrown, and there's some things of mine I wanna get rid of as well. So we'll do that. Then I need to clean up the dining room. It's a mess. The back slider's a mess. I need to clean the glass. I need to vacuum out there. I have like a tablecloth on there, like an old fall one, because the kids were painting and doing art projects, but I need to get that all cleaned up. And then we have some laundry to fold, and I'm sure I will find 5 more things to do in between now and then. But let's get to the cleaning and organizing part of this video. Right when you walk into our house, we have this at the, like through the garage, we have this little coat hook and all of that. And like I said, these are 2 new jackets for Layton. There's just a bunch of stuff that they're not gonna need till next year. So I'm gonna go through all of that. And also in this closet here, there's a boatload of stuff, and it's all smashed back there. It's actually not bad. It's like the kids' sleeping bags, their tents, their suitcases, Layton's dance bag, like a few odds and ends things. But I'm gonna go through this thing because that has all their gloves and hats and stuff in it. And then, like I said, I know there's some things in here that we can get rid of. A lot of this is my husband's extra stuff here, but we're gonna go through all of that and get these things put away.
Trust into us and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you. I know that you are having trouble believing right now that everything is gonna be alright. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best, what is best for you.
That was a quick little thing. It's now bare. It's rainy, super rainy the last couple of days here in Massachusetts, so the kids actually are both at school and they have their raincoats on, so they can hang those up here. Well, I have to hang them because it's too high for them, but I got rid of a bunch of like old Spider-Man hats and some hats that didn't fit Leighton anymore, a pair of like ski goggle boxes, a sweatshirt of Leighton's, an old hat, and I'm going to sell that coat on Poshmark. It's a really cute, like oversized trench coat, I guess, like raincoat slash trench coat. It's really nice. It's from Banana Republic, but it's too big for me. It's super big, so I'm gonna add that to my collection. Actually, for my closet clean out, I haven't posted anything on Poshmark like I should have. So, but when I came down here to plug in my tripod, the kids cleaned this yesterday, but it needs like a mom clean. They don't touch literally any of this stuff in here, so I think I'm just gonna move this cart totally out of here and use it somewhere else, and then just clean up these Legos because it's a hot mess. So we'll do this, and then we'll clean up the dining room and fold the laundry, and then we will be done. Got a lot of things done in a short amount of time. I try to put my phone down, like kind of like a power hour type of thing, but I don't just give myself an hour, but I try to put my phone down. It's hard. Like, I mean, I'll answer a phone call, or if someone texts me, I'll answer that kind of stuff, but trying to stay off social media while I'm doing a project, especially like TikTok, I delete it sometimes because it like sucks my brain up and I'm going in 12 different directions, and I'm like, ooh, I just saw a new way to cook chicken, and then I saw this thing on Amazon that I want to buy, and then this girl did a cool thing with her makeup, and then I saw this funny video, and I'm like, my brain, anyone that has like ADHD or anxiety and things of that nature, does that affect your brain watching things in like 20, 30 second, maybe a minute videos of like completely random different things? It like makes my mind explode. But I digress, and I'm gonna get back to work.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town.
I don't know if you can tell how gross this table is, but it is so dusty and dirty and just gross. So I'm gonna get this all cleaned off. I'm gonna put some of their Legos like that are actually built and put those back up. Get the table cleaned up. I need to vacuum under here. I found like popcorn kernels and all sorts of stuff. But I need to redo this basement downstairs. There's such old pictures. There's all old like sports memorabilia and stuff like that, and some of it's fine, but we just really need to, I don't know what I want to do down here. It's hard because we have our gym down here, but I don't know. I need to kind of redo this. All those things are going to come down because it's not a playroom down here anymore. All the Dr. Seuss, like, oh, the places you'll go, and the 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish. I'm going to get rid of those, pass those on to somebody, but I just want to do something different down here. I don't know what, but if you guys have any ideas, let me know.
Just wanna get to know you. I know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I know we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop.
All right, so down here is done. It's all organized, put back. I did end up keeping the craft cart because we have like a basketball hoop down here, so I kept the basketballs there. There's some coloring, there's spirograph, all that kind of stuff. So I just kept it there, but took most of the stuff out. Got rid of a ton of stuff like old notebooks and things that they've already used up, coloring books that are pretty much all colored in. We're gonna get rid of this high chair, give that away to a friend. We're gonna get rid of this Lego head, which just houses a ton of Legos. And then that little thing we don't need either. So all of this is going away. Now I'm gonna go tackle the dining room and then the laundry, and then I need some lunch.
Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart. I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart, but I still love you like I do. Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart. No text, no calls from me. I thought I could shake this off, but I'm not that tough with you. So run away with me.
That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my newest June plan and clean and organized. We kind of did a little bit of everything, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new, I would love for you to please hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. In May, I have tons of cleaning motivation, organizing, decluttering, and all of that good stuff. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.